Hey,
Sorry, I was
once
quoting
this
Congo.
piece of shit start moving. There we go, now we're moving. I need to get my Nagato back. I love that ship in the beta.
Nagato, that's the next ship I'm working on for. After I'm almost done with
All
the
forces, capture that area.
It's gonna be probably the next ship I buy is gonna be Nagato.
All stations, protect that target. Hang in there, help is on the way.
I hate lower tier sometimes for that shit. Never shut up.
People spamming this shit.
Yeah. Enemy force sighted on the
Yeah, it's
horizon.
annoying. You should see the servers in Armored Warfare, dude. It's pretty bad.
Nice.
Which is why I play PvE rather than PvP. Because PvP is like World of Tanks, chock full of douchebags who don't know what the fuck they're doing but talk the talk.
Talk the talk, can't walk the walk.
Like some people would know.
Matt.
Oops. Shots fired.
I do absolutely amazing in Armored Warfare.
You do amazing second dig too, but it's not a good thing to be proud, I think.
It's not a
Yeah,
it's
dude.
not a competition, bro. About
Even I'm good at that. I'm not proud of that. Some things happen, though.
things happen. It's
The next thing I know, I'm cuddling with Blake.
Yeah, right. I was gonna leave that one alone, Nick, but okay.
Hey,
Dude, I gotta laugh at that. I mean, that's just so goddamn funny.
I don't know.
so goddamn
Wow.
gay.
You're just jealous, dude.
You wanted it to
Not
be
really.
you instead. It's okay. You know how it
No,
goes, man.
not really.
Fucking, like, even Brando's girlfriend, like, I knew her for like 2 hours, and she was like, yep, that sounds just like him. I'm like, wow.
Wow, she knows me.
Blake talks about you a lot.
No, Panthers.
No.
Yeah, dude.
Seems like
Way to,
Anthony
like,
talks
fuck
about
up
you a
the
lot.
entire story.
Yeah.
All forces, requesting cover fire.
I didn't hear that.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Fuck, I can't see anything at all, and what I can see is out of my range.
Gonna lay some torps down on this Congo.
Fuck, I'm turning away. I don't want to fight the Congo. I want to kill the fucking cruisers at B.
Smoke generator started. Smoke screen set.
I think they're about to break through the center. So no one's stopping them.
Yeah, I'm flipping around, coming to help you.
Yep. Enemy Furtaka's making his move.
Yeah, I'm running for you right now, dude. Oop,
Come on, little
Congo.
Furtaka. Furtaka's gonna take him. Yep. Full on. All the shots go low. Not where I aim them, of course.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
It's a close range knife. Well, close-ish range knife fight with a Furtaka. I'm not in too much danger until he gets those guns around. I just knocked out one of his guns. Oh, I think I know what he's trying to do. I think he's
Well,
trying to launch torps.
he is.
Yeah.
If you ever see a Japanese freaking cruiser turning like that, they're launching torps. It's
Yeah, I
okay.
know. Well, that and the fact he's not firing a single gun at me.
Well, he didn't.
Oh,
have
great,
to.
the Wyoming's up on fire. Doesn't matter, I'm well behind the island. He's never gonna hit me.
Yeah, well, he's fixing to have. If he comes out right there, he's gonna have a really big surprise in his face.
And no, I can't fire over the island. My gun arc isn't high enough. Yeah, just gonna nail them out. Come on, I got C2.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
How the hell did I get spotted by aircraft?
There's spotter planes over here that are up.
Yeah, but I'm behind a mountain. There's literally a mountain in between us. Oh shit, those battleships are heading my way. What time to spam my explosive at?
You don't have to worry about one of them.
Yeah, you just nuked one of them.
Yes, I did. I told them they were going to get a surprise in their face.
Yeah, that Wyoming just took someone's torpedoes. And now he's on fire in multiple places. Oh, he's been abandoned. Well, don't mind if I do.
You're thinking the same thing, bro.
Yeah, the cruisers have buggered off. I will gladly take advantage of that. Why did those shots...
No,
hit
he's
the
not
mountain?
abandoned. His turret's turning.
One of them is, and it's the Furataka. One on lower health. It's two, and he's not even actually turning. He's still burning, or is he flooding?
No, he's still burning. And
He's doing 1,000 damage. I'm pretty sure it's flooding.
Yeah, I can say, and I think he's burning and flooding. Because I can see smoke still coming from him, too.
I can't see him, so.
Yeah. He's gonna die.
And I think that was him.
Yeah, it was. Let's just cap the point. I guess we'll
Yeah.
head and see.
Seems like they could use help there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ryzen killed him with flooding. Yeah, send those torpedo bombers our way. I guarantee you nothing's gonna happen to them.
We'll take out this St. Louis first.
They're gonna take out a lot of guns. I was gonna fire high explosive at him.
That's what I'm doing. My guns won't penetrate it.
Yeah, same. He's on fire. Okay, he put it out. Means whenever he starts burning, he's not gonna be able to put it out.
He's burning again.
Yeah, incapacitated one of his rear gun turrets.
We got torpedo bombers coming in our way.
Yeah, I'm turning. Yep, they dropped.
He dropped them too close.
Yeah, those are never gonna hit. That St. Louis is burning in, what, like 3 places?
Yeah.
Or more?
I'm going for the Omaha now.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch fire. And get more guns at the Omaha anyway.
Oop, oop, destroyer.
Yep. Minakaze, which means torpedoes are gonna be in the water. Please don't tell me you launch torpedoes. Okay, I'm gonna have to evade those.
Yeah, sorry, bro.
Enemy cruiser.
I incapacitated his rudder.
I took out his engine again.
Oh shit. I'm so dead.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Yeah, he
He
fucking
nailed me with 4 of them. Fucking hell.
Smoke generator started.
There goes half
Oh,
my
look.
fucking health.
Hey look, there's a enemy carrier right in front of you.
Problem solved, sir.
That Omaha's pursuing you. And that torpedo did not have enough time to activate. He just hit your citadel, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. I'm down. Nothing I can do, dude.
I hadn't been hit by those goddamn torpedoes. I'm gonna back out.
Sounds good, man. We'll go ahead and get Nick back in.